The Montser Hawk. When every second counts, the Montser Hawk offers true parallel pin rolling with the highest productivity of any system. The Montser Hawk is a hydraulically driven parallel tube rolling system, offering the speed and power of a hydraulic motor with the precision and accuracy of an electronically controlled system. A traditional expander's rolls are set at an angle to the mandrel. With parallel pin expansion, the rolls are perfectly aligned with the mandrel, so there's no feed angle. Instead, the mandrel is pushed through the expander using hydraulics, allowing for greater productivity and increased expansion quality. Many end customers are requiring seal welds to be rolled with parallel pin because it can reduce the stress created on welded tube joints. The Montser Hawk meets this requirement using true parallel pin technology. The Montser Hawk maximizes productivity by providing the fastest cycle times for mechanical expansion, up to twice the speed of tapered rolling. The direct torque electronic control system measures torque and controls system functions regardless of fluctuations in hydraulic oil temperature. This allows you to roll to the target wall reduction each time, eliminating costly rework. Quickly change out tooling with the built-in quick change chuck system. Simply adjust the collar to the desired roll depth like a traditional expander and slide it into the chuck. The Montser Hawk's auto lubrication system increases tool life by providing expander lubrication exactly where it's needed, through the cage and directly to the rolls and the mandrel. No messy cleanup. The Montser Hawk's articulated arm supports the weight and absorbs the torque of the rolling motor using a pneumatic counterbalance, which allows the operator to effortlessly move the motor into position. Ergonomically roll a large area of tubes without readjusting the unit. For convenient transportation of the unit, the Montser Hawk is equipped with heavy-duty casters, forklift pockets, and a hoist ring. With the easy-to-use control panel, there is no need to understand hydraulic pressures or spend time waiting for the system to warm up. The operator simply sets torque and starts rolling. Increase productivity, speed, and reduce cost with Elliott's Montser Hawk hydraulically driven assisted tube rolling system. Visit our website to learn more. Quality tube tools for an I-need-it-yesterday world.